Hi, this is Ja from Okasan Production, and I simply want to greet BDC Events and Talent Squad a happy 7th anniversary. Thank you so much for supporting the local artists, lifting the scene, and keeping the fire alive. I'm hoping for more gigs, more memories, and more music to come. Rock on and keep making some noise.
Hi, I just want to greet BDC Events and Talent Squad. Happy 7th year anniversary. Here's more making music.
Hi PTC Production, happy 7th anniversary. Congratulations Ate Beng. Keep rocking.
Yo, Madam Beng. Happy 7th anid sa BDC yan. More gigs to come.
Hello, this is Nats from Doble Karma and Sinifol. Happy 7th anniversary BDC events. More power to you, and we look forward to seeing you in more events.
Happy 7th year anniversary to BDC Events and Talent Squad. They're celebrating this on June 14th at Boredom and Marikina with an awesome lineup featuring the Bloody Countess. Once again, that's June 14th. Happy 7th anniversary BDC.
Happy 7th anniversary BDC. More power and more gigs to come from Ron Sanbile Masks.
Happy Anib BDC. Yeah.
Happy 7th anniversary BDC events and more events to come. Yeah.
Oops. Hasta la vista. Happy 7 years anniversary BDC Production. Kita-kits sa Badu. Rock in. More years to come. Madam Bing.
Happy 7th anniversary BDC. Greetings from Aurora Skies. Thank you sa suporta sa local bands at sa underground scene. Mabuhay kayo and congratulations.
Hey, this is Jiv, frontman for Crosspaths and also Anointing of the Sick. I just want to congratulate BDC Events and Talent Squad as they celebrate their 7th year anniversary. Shout out kay Madam Beng, of course. And I just wish you nothing but the best, guys, and more power and more events to come. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Yo, tatit ng Aftermath. Happy 7th anniversary BDC and salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga underground banda, mga metal. Keep rockin'.
Hi, ako si Jagor. Nagbe-base sa Aftermath sa Cinco Mesayad. Happy 7th anniversary BDC event. Game.
Jerwin of Tribe Hiraya. Happy 7th year anniversary to BDC Events and Talent Squad. Thank you for supporting the underground scene. Manatiling malakas.
Yo, this is Mikhail Lloyd of Fame and binabati ko nga pala ang BDC Events and Talent Squad ng isang masayang anniversary. And sana hindi ka magsawa. Shoutout to you, Ma'am Beng, at maraming salamat sa iyong suporta sa mga heavy metal bands, hardcore bands, hard rock bands, Filipino indie rock bands, etc. out there in the underground. More power to you.
Yo, this is Shane from Fame PH at happy 7th anniversary sa BDC Events. At yun lang, more power to come at kita-kits tayo lahat dyan. Let's go!
Chaotic Aggression. Happy 7th year anniversary sa BDC. More gigs and more power sa inyo. Kita-kits sa June 14. Okay?
Happy 7th year anniversary BDC Events and Talent Squad. Kita-kita tayo. June 14, Saturday, Boredom Marikina. Killer gig, solid lineup na naman. Again, happy 7th year anniversary BDC Events and Talent Squad. See ya. More power.
Happy 7th anniversary BDC Events. Ako si Piolo Pascual ng Mob Monkeys. Magkita-kita tayo sa Sabado sa Boredom Bar, Marikina. Rock and roll.
Hello, happy 7th year anniversary sa BDC Production, si Beng. Maraming salamat, Beng, sa suporta mo pa rin sa mga bandang tumutugtog ngayon sa eksena. Good luck and more years to come and enjoy. Happy anniversary!
Happy 7th anniversary BDC! Kita-kits tayo sa June 14, Sabado.
Sa Boredom Bar, Marikina.
Yeah!
Hi, for the Bloody Countess! Samahan niyo kami sa June 14 sa Boredom Bar para sa 7th year anniversary ng BDC.
Happy 7th year anniversary!
Happy anniversary BDC fam! See you on the next gig!